Remember that today is going to be a big day because PM Modi is set to visit Jammu and Kashmir today for his first campaign rally in the UT since the announcement of the assembly elections. PM Modi will address a BJP election rally in Doda district, which is scheduled to vote for 8 assembly seats on September 18. The rally in Doda, chosen personally by PM, follows a strong demand from local residents who had previously heard him speak during the 2014 assembly elections in Kishtwar. Here's a full report, viewers, on what to expect.
Ahead of elections in Jammu and Kashmir and after the abrogation of Article 370, the Prime Minister will address 2 election rallies in the Jammu region, including one in the Doda district.
यहाँ के लोगों का मनोबल भी बढ़ेगा, उत्साह भी बढ़ेगा, न केवल भारतीय जनता पार्टी कार्यकर्ताओं को बल्कि आम आवाम का। लेकिन उससे भी बड़ी बात यह कि उनका यहाँ आगमन अनेकों संकेत है। मोदी जी ने प्रधानमंत्री बनते ही कहा था कि जो देश के वो क्षेत्र जो शायद विकास में कहीं पीछे रह गए, मुख्यधारा से थोड़े छूट गए, उनको विकसित करके बराबर की सतह में लाया जाएगा। और उसका प्रमाण अगर आपने देखना, ये डोडा क्षेत्र है, दूर दराज का पिछड़ा हुआ क्षेत्र, जम्मू कश्मीर का सबसे दूर दराज का जिला। हालांकि यहाँ से बहुत बड़े केंद्रीय मंत्री भी रहे, यहाँ से कोई ऐसा वक्त ना गुजरा जब यहाँ के विधायक प्रदेश में मंत्री ना रहे, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने इसी क्षेत्र की अवहेला की, जहाँ से निर्वाचित होकर गए उसकी अवहेला की। यहाँ पहाड़ों में जहाँ कच्चे झोंपड़े हुआ करते थे, आज यहाँ पक्के मकान है। ये सारा प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना का करिश्मा है यहाँ पर।
BJP is contesting all the seats in the Jammu region. It will aim to repeat its 2014 performance when it won 25 out of 37 seats in the region. Prime Minister Modi's visit comes after back-to-back rallies of Home Minister Amit Shah in Jammu and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in Ramgarh. The BJP has deployed 40 star campaigners, including the Prime Minister himself, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and other union ministers and BJP leaders for the election campaign. The elections will be held in 3 phases from September 18th to October the 1st. The results will be announced on October 8.
And viewers, let's go straight across to my colleague Zeenat joining us live this morning. Zeenat, a very good morning to you. Today is going to be a very big day. PM Modi is going to be in Jammu and Kashmir, kicking off that big rally in Doda later on. What can we expect as we head towards the historic Jammu and Kashmir polls?
Chimani, this will be the first rally of any Prime Minister in the last 50 years as far as the Prime Minister visiting now the Doda is concerned. We are picking from the sources that this was the venue that was chosen by the Prime Minister himself, because after 5 decades some Prime Minister is visiting. Last time Prime Minister visited Kishtwar, and there had been a lot of demand coming from the locals that the Prime Minister should visit once more, and this time the venue has been chosen by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself as far as the Doda region is concerned, and this is also known as Chenab. So he will be addressing the locals of Ramban, Kishtwar and Doda. So the focus is all to get more and more seats, because last time when PDP and the BJP formed government, BJP was given a bigger push of 25 seats from the Jammu, so they were able to form an alliance with the PDP. But this time we are seeing the National Conference and Congress making an alliance, and the independent going and the PDP going all solo. So the Prime Minister focus is more on Jammu. We expect that he will be doing one more rally apart from the Doda, because this is why the BJP is trying to sell the narrative of the development of the roads, the infrastructural projects, the projects that have come from the central government to give boost to the entire Chenab Valley. But meanwhile, the questions are also being asked as far as the terrorism, revival of terrorism in the Jammu and Kashmir. But we are seeing he is one of the star campaigners of the BJP. Earlier, the Home Minister visited, the Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, also visited and addressed the locals. Needs to see that how the Prime Minister will do his campaign, how he is going to target to National Conference for the dynasty or the PDP. And a lot of independent candidates are also in fray. Then we are also picking the way we see the campaigning going on, that the Apni party, they are the National Conference and the other parties say that they are being backed by the BJP. Then the Engineer Rashid, who is out on this interim bail, is also creating a lot of ruckus on the ground. So it is really interesting to watch that how the elections will go, because the 3-phase elections, the results will be out on eighth of the next month who will form the government, because BJP is quite comfortable in saying that they will be the one who will be forming the government and they don't need an alliance with anybody, because people will choose them because of the development world, the projects that they have given, the infrastructure that they have developed, and the kind of tourism that has come to Jammu and Kashmir that had enhanced the economy and the livelihood of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.